Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV in the Allure specification. So it's got the 1.6 Blue HDI engine with 100 horsepower. It also features 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows and reverse parking sensors. Inside the car you'll notice it's got Peugeot's grip control. Now this gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. There's also the 7-inch touchscreen that gives you DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's dual zone air conditioning and cruise control. So let's have a look around. So if this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.